in chapter number 15, our environment. Let's learn one more textual exercise question. The first question is, give any two ways in which biodegradable substances would affect the environment. Let's learn question first. Let's study about question first. Here we give the information for affect the environment, not only significant for environment. So in answer, biodegradable substances get degraded by microbial activity, releasing simple component back to nature. These components helps to sustain the life of other organism. When we say in the question write about biodegradable substances. During the biodegradation, but when the biodegradation can occur, certain gases may be released in the atmosphere and causing pollution. So this can be effect for environment. Let's question number second. Give any two ways in which non-biodegradable substances would affect the environment. Non-biodegradable substances such as pesticides or insecticides cause soil and water pollution. It may cause biological magnification, which we'll already study in the short note of biological magnification. They block the functions of an ecosystem. They are hazardous for ecosystem. So non-biodegradable substances block the functions of an ecosystem, that is, transfer of energy and elements may stop. Process of transfer of energy is unidirectional and the transfer of elements are cyclic. So we see in the food web. Here we notice the substances which are non-biodegradable block the functions of an ecosystem, that is, transfer of energy and elements may stop. So these two ways would affect the environment, which are biodegradable substances, and these are two ways which affect the environment, non-biodegradable substances. Let's learn some more questions. Let's learn some more questions which are given in text. The first question is, what is ozone and how does it affect any ecosystem? We already studied in the question of ozone layer. So we write the answer. Ozone molecule is formed by free molecules of free or molecules or atoms, free atoms of oxygen in the presence of UV rays, ultraviolet rays. In the presence of ultraviolet rays, molecule of oxygen is break down in the form of oxygen atom, and oxygen atom can combine with molecule of oxygen and form O3. But UV rays are important in the which are present in the sun. Presence of UV rays in the sun. At higher level, ozone is, or presence of ozone is, presence of ozone is more effective, but at ground level it works as deadly poison. Effect of ozone layer. The benefits of ozone layer can be seen only in higher levels, not in ground level. In ground level it works as deadly poison. You can say is more hazardous. So, but the significance of higher layer is ozone layer absorb shorter wavelength ultraviolet rays and protect ultraviolet rays which are presence in the sun. So it protects all organisms of life in the earth. Without ozone layer, any living organism cannot be survive. So the benefits and the presence of ozone layer is most important. How can help in reducing the problem of waste disposal? Give any two methods. Waste disposals are present in domestic wastage. So we can help in reducing the problem of waste disposal by following methods. First, we can take biodegradable domestic wastes. We know the biodegradable domestic wastes such as fruits, vegetable peels, unusable food, leaves, and any other garbage of garden are any other garbage of garden can be buried in a pit, decompose it and use as manure. Take all biodegradable domestic wastes such as fruits, vegetable peels, unusable food, leaves, and any other garbage which is regarded to biodegradable substances can be buried in a pit, decompose it and use as manure. The second thing is waste materials such as tin, papers, plastic can be passed through the process of recycle and use as a new products. Tin, papers, cups which are made by glass. Here we add two more things: glass, cups, at extra. Let's see. Waste materials such as tin, papers which are used in the recycle process can be collect and pass through the process of recycle. We already know the process of recycle in chapter number 16, and use as a new products when we cannot through the whole products in the environment when which we can usable for new form. So as per our question, we give two methods to reducing the problem of waste disposal. First is compose biodegradable substances and use as manure, and second pass through the substance materials in the form of recycle tin, papers, glass, cups and use as a new product.